It's County Tortoise Capital with the market daily visualization for June 8th, 2026. I'm already noticing on the daily here that the PSAR flipped today. So that sort of is officially a turning point. So let's go ahead and get our chart updated. So we're going to slide the daily price one to the right. Take the daily low and the daily high from yesterday. That's our automatic buys and sells. I'm going to shift the 5-day, one block to the right, the 10-day, one block to the right. So the low remains the same in each case. Price adjusts to here. That's the black line. The 10 period regression line adjusts. The 20 period regression line lagged by 10 days. So it starts on day 10 and goes back to day 30. We got to adjust the 30-day price. 30-day low remains the same. That's going to start creeping up here in a little bit. The PSAR stop has already, been exceeded. That was the RL30 PSAR. We had to adjust the PSAR for the on the top line. So because that's above our price action, that becomes a target for the next emerging dragon. So we're going to turn that from red to purple to indicate that that is a price target. And we're going to do the same with this PSAR flip right here. Make that purple so that we're reminded again that it is a price target. Now that adjust the 1-day high again. Now the 30 period SMA, that's that's the red dotted line, so we're going to adjust that. The extension that shows the directionality of the longer term 30 period SMA is up, whereas the shorter term trend line of the 10 period regression line is decidedly down. That's what creates the tension in this moment. That is sort of an indication of maximum volatility and chaos. Yeah. Is there anything else we need to check on that? Nope, that's good. So now let's just slide this back to the right so we have some room to work. And this is the RL 120 period regression line lagged by 30. That goes all the way back to the 150-day look back. So that's basically flat in that period. And then this was the extraordinary move. So although this feels disastrous, we got to remember that's in the context of a historically amazing 30-day move, which is what makes this such a tricky position for people, because they want to feel like this was extraordinary, and it was, but now the pain and suffering that is implied in that move is still there. So that's what our market health check looks like for the 8th of June 2028. Maximum chaos right now, which is a short-term intraday trader's delight. And that's where we thrive. Come check us out at tortoisecapital.net or owlgrouptrading.com.